Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on promotional offers on your Uber app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Uber app. So all you have to do, just go down here, you click here on account down here, then it's going to take us here in this window. Then you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to next step. Then all you have to do now, just click here on privacy, and it's going to take you to next step here, and you click here on privacy center. So then you come to next step here, you just go down and you click here on communication here. So and it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, so just click here on push notifications, and you click here on red. Sorry, you will click here on red. Then you come to this window here, and you just come here to promotional offers. So we'll click here on this sign, and like you see this color show for us, and you click here on save preferences, and like you see it's on with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.